Hey, are you Jonathan Noble, divorce attorney?
Yes, I am.
Oh man, all my friends cannot even stand you. You represented their husbands in their divorce cases,
Yeah.
and the husbands came out winners. While we're on the topic of divorce, my marriage isn't going so great, and I was wondering if I could book a consult with you.
Call my office.
I want you on my side.
All right, call my office.
Thanks.
Hey, everybody. I get a ton of great questions. And recently, for the second or third time in recent months, I got a question where someone's asking me if they own a home and then bring someone into the home and get married to them and have a child with them, and then they split up or get divorced, is it possible that the home can be lost or he could be ordered out of the house that he owned before he even started to cohabitate with the other person, or his wife in this case? I got bad news for you. The answer is yeah. You know, the courts are given what's known as plenary power to effectuate economic justice. And if there's a kid involved, and it would be in the kid's best interest to remain in that house, and the wife doesn't have the economic means to find another residence, and you do, you could be ordered out of the house that you own before you even cohabitated with her. So what can you do about it? Well, one thing you can do to help shield against something like this is get a prenup. If you live in a jurisdiction that recognizes the validity of prenups, and you can help protect yourself with a great prenup, with one that's really properly drafted and properly executed. The other thing you can do is don't invite anybody in to live with you and have children with them. Then it's not going to be a problem. You can still have great intimate relationships with people or a person without bringing state law in and leaving it in the hands of basically a stranger in a black robe. Now, the courts really try to get it right, but you're rolling the dice. If you think that you're going to be able to just get in front of a court and say, hey, this was my house before I let her move in, but we do have a kid and she doesn't have anywhere to go, what do you think they're going to do? Put her in a tent on the street? No, it's not the way it works. So know your rights and responsibilities before you make some of these life decisions, okay? Or else you'll end up where? Here in my office. I'd rather have you spend the money on things that bring you joy, right? And all the stress that you'd go through. Pass this along to someone who needs to see it, who still lives in that Disney-esque mindset of love and forever. Because more than half of marriages end in divorce. First marriages. For second and subsequent marriages, it's much higher, all right? Protect your assets. Protect your future. Speak to an attorney in your jurisdiction before you allow someone to move in, cohabitate, and certainly before you get married. Like, comment, subscribe. Be careful out there.